Hello, Sean Walters here with CAPTRON. We hope you're doing well today. If you've been following us at all, you'll know we love to have fun here at CAPTRON. And we thought we'd just take a few moments to explain this Olympic scoreboard that we've created. So utilizing the SICK SIG200 and the logic that it's capable of, it has become the brains of this entire operation. So we've decided that we're going to track the gold medals across our 4 different world regions. The US, which is where we're at, Germany, which is where we're headquartered, Poland, we have an office, as well as in China. So tracking our gold medals across the board, currently China is in first place with 11 gold medals. We can toggle through the functions here. USA has 9 gold medals. Germany has 2 gold medals. And Poland's still catching up here. They have none at this point. But here is a common application. If you wanted to track a workstation or orders picked or something like that, you can utilize our CANEO 40 series and the display features that we provide to give that user the feedback they need wherever they're at. In addition, we also have IO-Link process data capable. You see our text is scrolling through here, just showing the different countries just as an example. So if you do have any questions, please connect with us on LinkedIn at CAPTRON North America, or look us up on the web, www.captron.com. Have a great day.